Hi guys, Rick with Rally Sport Direct here. We've got our 2015 STI behind us. In this box I got the JDM STI Push Button Start. Let's go ahead and open this up. And I am really excited for this, mainly because I love these little JDM items that you can get for the car, and this is it. So our car is of course equipped with the push button starter from the factory. The difference between the stock one and this one, stock one's black, this one is red, and I think it's very cool. Just a nice little Japanese accent that we can add to the inside of our STI, give it a little bit more flair, make it a little bit more unique. It should be a plug and play installation. We're literally just gonna pop the old one out, throw this one in. Let's go ahead and get started. We just installed the STI push button starter in our 15 STI. Looks great. Let's make sure everything works. Perfect. Everything works great. It looks great. Such an easy install. Really, we're only having to take off this panel and this panel. Everything else just plugs right in. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.